just be with you, always be the light things on you.
Hello guys, welcome to this video, and this is me Sumit back again in another video. And this video's topic is different, as I show you, like you could see the title, right? Yes, I cannot decide between PC building and gaming videos. I'll let you guys just decide and choose, because I'm interested in PC building and gaming both. But PC building, it gives me more views, but like it's hard to make, and gaming videos are more easy, and I can make them more frequently, and gaming videos are just way more better for me. So it's all upon you guys. If you say it's better to make PC building videos, I will make it, or just gaming videos. Gaming videos, like I have a bad PC right now, like it has a GT 710 and Phenom. I'm trying to get a PC upgrade. Let's see how it goes. And then also I have to make recordings on an iPad, my old iPad, so I cannot currently make videos on this old iPad. And right now I'm editing on this old iPad itself. And why am I doing it is because my phone, which was in Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, has you can see it on the screen. The glass is broken, so I cannot use it anymore. And so, just as a proof, let me just show you my PC specs. Yeah, and this is also recorded on my iPad. Like, let me get my phone fixed, and then a new PC. You can see it's an AMD Phenom and a GT 710. Yes, that's it. And this is gonna be my new icon for the Drago channel, and I'm gonna change the channel's name as well, because that seems sarcastic and it kind of looks cringe to me. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll make sure I'll change the channel name and the picture. Bye.